welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be trying out a new brow product. Ooh. This is actually a brow kit and brow set from Guardian that I received a couple of, I guess, months ago when I don't know what was the Guardian event, really. I completely forgotten the other day. And it was just sitting down in my pile of like makeup, and I thought I would give it away because I never really thought that I'm gonna use them. I do have other brow products that I've not finished in my makeup drawer, but recently I have decided that I want to try out something new because I kind of hit pan of one of my brow products already, and I feel that I think because my hair color changed, not really color changed lah, more of like I decided to grow back my natural hair color. So my hair right now is much more darker than my previous hair color, so the brow all the brow products are a little bit lighter than usual, so I think it's time to kind of try this brow kit out. Although yes, it's from Guardian, and at the back the ingredients seems to have quite a lot of like not so great ingredients such as mica, which is fine. I think mica is fine, but it has talc, which is not the best ingredients in a makeup product, and they have a lot of numbers. Literally, there's this one portion of it here written may contain CI77891, CI77492. I don't know what are those numbers. Is it the color pigments or what? So a lot of times when all these beauty gurus kind of talk about products, they always say that if you see a product's ingredients list with a lot of numbers, that's when you should be worried. And also they have a lot of things that I can't really pronounce. Literally a lot of chemicals. Oh, it has silica in it. Not the greatest ingredient to be honest, it's just not good at all. It has mineral oil. Oh my gosh, this is only the highlighter. They actually list out, for example, highlighters, eyebrow powders, eyebrow wax, eyebrow gel, eyebrow pencils. And it's written here, made in China. I mean, expected nothing less from it. Distributed by Spring Wind Enterprise. And I thought it is like Guardian product, but there's no like list anywhere stated this is Guardian, which is surprising. This is a brow product, right? As you can see here, I don't know if you can read this. It is written blush, B-L-U-S-H, blush, but it's actually a brow product. Like, what the heck is going on? Is this a brush? No, brush. Is this a blush set or a brow set? But it's manufactured in October 2017, which means that it's last year. I would assume it's around last year, Christmas that they kind of launched this whole set. I mean, the packaging looks very nice, no doubt, other than the word. Just ignore that. Rose gold of this packaging. I love how it looks like. Freaking bulky, but it has everything. I mean, if you want to have a look, ta-da! Highlighters or brow wax and stuff like that here. Eyebrow stencil here. What is this called? The tweezers. They have tweezers here that's rose gold as well, which I'm quite excited. They have clear brow gel, a spoolie here, and they have dual-ended brushes and dual-ended brow pencil with two different shades. So technically, I would say that they kind of have a complete set of brow, like literally any sort of brow products that you have ever needed and ever wanted. The fact that they put in a brow gel, which is fantastic. I've been looking for a brow gel for some time, ever since my Benefit Gimme Brow. Now that I don't have it, and I'm like, I'm not to find another clear brow gel. I was so tempted to buy a couple of beauty products from Guardian during their like 50% off sale, but at the same time, I do have so many things already. I do have so many makeup already. Like for example, like this. I do have something like this. It's just that, why am I not using it? That's the thing. That's the question. Why am I not using it? Why do I have to go and buy a new clear brow gel? Why not just try this palette out? That's what happened, and that's what I thought, since I'm planning to do my brows today before I record The Sims, why not just try this this brow set up. I think what scares me the most is really just the ingredients. They are extremely scary. I'm not kidding. If you have watched my previous video, I've been going in a lot more of a natural route when it comes to skincare, and even when it comes to removing my makeup, I tried the what's that called, the face hollow and the face circle. Basically, it's a microfiber sponge or microfiber cloth to remove your makeup with just water. And oh my gosh, I have been loving those too. Ever since I got them, I've never used anything else to remove my makeup. I'm not kidding, I'm serious. Unless I'm using like a crazy ass, a lot of waterproof makeup and very super heavy makeup, then I'll use an oil cleanser. But so far, most of my daily makeup that is quite simple like this, I've just been using those two cloths, and I love it. I really absolutely love it. It's so convenient, so easy especially when you just shower. I will link it somewhere up here. How is this different from the products that are from Yubisu? I'm so scared to try Yubisu product that I don't mind trying this product out. Is it because it's from Guardian? I don't know. Okay, I've rambled enough. Let's get back into the demo session or the tryout session ASAP. Like now. Let's see what I'm gonna do. There's so many things. I'm actually quite overwhelmed with the amount of things that they have in here. I have no idea how much is it. As I mentioned, I was given, so I have no idea how much is it. But as usual, I'll always, when it comes to beauty products, I'll always write like a brief review of the products that I'm using in this video in my blog post. It will be linked in the description box below. Yeah, so do check that out. I'll try to Google it. I don't know if they still have this or not. I think they still do. I am opening up for the very first time. So basically I just take out the sticker and take out this thing. Oh, there's a they just glue it only. This is definitely not a brow set that you want to bring along when you travel. It's too bulky, but they do have everything. I think if you are venturing into makeup, this probably could be a good makeup set. I don't know! Usually I try not to advise people to buy something that I feel that it's not so safe. Especially now that I've read all the ingredients list, I just don't know if people should buy this or not. But no doubt, I'm still gonna try it for you. Oh, there you go. Now you can see my brows clear and how freaking unruly. It is crazy unruly. Nothing is falling off. Nothing is falling off. This is a phone cam, and unless you put it like this, then obviously the mirror can stand. But you can't do it like this. Not the most stable thing of all. Pluck out all the super. Ow! Bin! Not the worst eyebrow tweezers that I've actually used so far. Be honest, not bad. It's actually in a good size because it's definitely much better than the Benefit one that I got in like a palette. But yeah, so let me just show you an example of how the sizing works. This is my regular favorite eyebrow tweezers on earth, or don't have to be eyebrow, like it can just be any tweezers to pluck your eyebrows or to pluck your armpit hair or to pluck anything that you want to pluck. So because this is not too small, it makes it very comfortable to use as well. Even when I'm using my less dominant hand, I actually quite like this. This could be my new favorite travel tweezers. I really want to use the eyebrow stencils. First of all, let's kind of brush my... Whoa, this is a very rough spoolie. There are 5 pieces in here. Let's see if anything fits me or not. This is full arc, high arc, petite arc again, slim high arc. The 2 petite arc, it is exactly the same. I think this fits my brows best. Let me try to use their pencil. Maybe I should use powder instead of pencils. Whoa, that kind of filled the brows. This brow pencil is actually very creamy. It's definitely very pigmented, but gotta shoot at you. Gonna use the brushes that's provided by them. Maybe dip into this and just mix this 2 up. Yeah, cẩn lại. Just use everything. Hey! Whoa, that is so... Oh my gosh, wow, it kind of worked. It's much more bold than I'm used to. Like, it's so like straight here, straight here, straight here. I know that's very precise and very defined. Not quite my style, but it works. I feel the right side is a little bit off for me because my brow here, obviously no brows are exactly the same. So this side is a little bit higher, my natural brow. This stencil doesn't really fit as well as the left side one. Cẩn lại. So this side is without the pencil, yeah, that's why it's not as dark. It's just the powder. The time of reveal. Ooh. definitely needs a little bit more shaping. Personally, I think this stencil is also a great way for you to be able to figure out where you should trim your brows. When you're a beginner, you don't know how to do your brows, you would probably be thinking, how should I trim my brows? How should I shave my brows? How should I pluck my brows? Until where should I stop? Yeah, so I think these kind of stencil can give you a really good idea of what kind of brow shape you want. Like you can try all these stencils out and then you kind of do it on and then you see if that's the kind of brow shape that you want. So if like for example this is the kind of brow shape that you want, you can actually just shave it according to the shape of this brow stencil. I know I look very much like Crayon Shin-chan right now, but definitely needs a little bit more work. You just run through your brows with a spoolie to soften everything up. Much better right now. I quite like it. Interestingly, it works quite well on this side. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna darken this side up because previously, as you know, I didn't use the pencil on this right side. You can never get your eyebrows even, so you know what, I'm just gonna stop. Oh my gosh, I can't stop. Next up, we're gonna try to, obviously we try the clear brow gel first. I wish that the brush is actually smaller like the Gimme Brow one. That would have been perfect. Today's brow, as you can see, is crazy bold. We're gonna try the brow highlights, this too. Let's just go super bold and try the shimmery one. Kick back. Oh, that's too much already. The gel set shiny. I don't think I like that. It works quite okay. The highlighter is just a regular highlighter. And also I want to try to use some of these powders to apply on my eyelids. Let's do a little bit of this brown. I think it's okay. Not too bad. The brush is soft, but again, it's just not well done. Should I line my eyes a bit more? Maybe I should use the same brown with these two colors to kind of line my eyes. Can you see the difference? That's my eye makeup. I think I would probably just get I don't really need to get my lashes also. That's the end of me testing out these. Let me put back all this stuff first. Okay, I think let's start with the stencils since they are out. I think the stencils work if you really don't know how to do your brows and if you want to like know how to trim your brows. It's just that even after doing your brows or even after you stenciling your brows, you kind of still need to clean it up a little bit, shape it a little bit more because no two brows are the same. For me personally, I don't think I will use these stencils on a daily basis because I've been doing my brows for so long already and I kind of like to do it freehandedly. Maybe if I'm doing other people's brows and I really don't know how to do their brows because most of the time I'm just doing my brows, I think the stencils will be a great way for you to gauge on how to trim or groom the other person's brow. The kyap or the tweezers works like magic. The thing with this eyebrow gel, I don't know why, it kind of sets shiny. So I don't think I like that kind of wet brow look, but it definitely works as an eyebrow gel. Spoolie is a little bit rough, and when it comes to the dual ender brush that they provided, the angle one, the dense angle one, works well for the brows. The fluffy one also is soft and nice, but it's just unfortunate it's not well produced. Dual brow pencil, very creamy, so just be very careful with it. Personally, for me, for people who are beginners, it's a little bit hard to manage, and sometimes you will overdraw your brows a little bit more unless you really want that very thick, heavy brow look. Eyebrow wax, I don't know about it because I didn't use it. Eyebrow highlighter, the shimmery one, seems to look nice. It's a very nice, soft shimmer highlighter that works. It's not the kapow kind of highlighter. I use this side as a eyeshadow. Seems quite nice. It's quite even, it's not too patchy. So for my eyebrows, I use these two colors. It's a little bit more brown than what I thought I would like. Maybe I should mix it up with maybe a little bit of this brown. But it's okay, it's not too bad. It fits my entire look, so I don't mind it too much. It's not patchy, it's a good eyebrow powder. The cool part about this eyebrow set is that, I mean, obviously you can mix and match according to what you like and according to how your hair looks like and how you feel that day. And even so, I can can use some of these eyebrow powders as my eyeshadow. And it works very well. I think it's good. For now, my eyes didn't burn up. I don't feel any itchiness. I don't feel any stinginess. It seems quite fine. I don't really have an issue with this palette. It's just that it's a little bit bulky. Probably I will use it for home use, or if I'm doing it for other people. It's a good thing that I have a variety of brow shade, and all the tools are here as well. All the tools seems to work pretty okay, pretty well. Overall, I'm quite impressed. I quite like this set. I am glad that I took it out to use it. It's also magnetic when you kind of close it up. I believe this is only exclusively in Guardian, if I'm not mistaken. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and hit that notification bell so that you will receive a notification every single time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!